Droppers Rule 1 here. Well, I've had a design change, guys. I finished up. I didn't use the bits and pieces there. Nearly showed you my next project. Oh, dang. Oh, nearly showed you my next project. You probably guessed what it was anyway. So what I've done, just for testing purposes only, really, I've got this mounted on here and that mounted on there, and these will spin free. See, they all spin free. So that's going to work pretty good. All I can do now is figure out how to put a handle on it. So what I'll end up doing now is I'll flip it over onto its wheels, and we'll see how it sits, and I can work out what sort of handle I'm going to have to make for it. But it's come along nicely so far, guys. Back in a sec. Well, there we go, guys. It's on its wheels. I tell you what, I just took it for a quick little roll, and it rolls sweet. You only got to give it a little push, and away it goes. And it just keeps rolling until it runs into the post. But I'm pretty happy with it. All I do now is figure out how I'm going to put the seat on. Put these handles on it for the handlebars. I don't know. The back wheels do look a little funny, being bicycle wheels, but oh well, what are you gonna do? It's what I had at the time, and it's all I got to use. So I've still got to trim the edges on that and make them smoother, because they're pretty sharp at the moment. So I don't want to get anybody to get hooked up on them. So I'll get that done. I've still got to make the handle for it, so I'll get around to doing that. And then I've got to mount all the fishing stuff on it where I want to put it. I want to make everything quick release if I can, so it'll just be a multi-purpose cart. So we'll see how we go from there, guys. Alrighty, well I better get my act together, and I'll show you a little preview of my next project, which is in the next video. So stay tuned for that one, guys. Bye for now.